We're making triangle piece squares. They're 2.5 inches square. So get your cutting done. Take the 6.5 inch triangle square up ruler, square them up to 2.5 inches. Lay all of those triangle piece squares along with dark triangles and light triangles on the sides. That's 1/4 of the block. They're sewn together in rows, and then just trim off those tips once you're finished. Take corners in both red and off-white, sew them to opposite sides, make 4 of them just like that, and then square off some of those tips on the outside. Make them nice and straight. Take 4 of those, lay them out, and that's your block. And that's beautiful.